Hey guys, so I thought I'd quickly update you on what's been happening. Yeah, so Friday I finished school, which involved a lot of people crying. Not me, strangely. I kept telling everyone sorry. I kept telling everyone I would cry, but strangely I didn't. But yeah, sad times, as I have to say by a lot of my friends who have been awesome. Yeah, but now I'm on study leave. I have 6 more exams, so halfway through my exams, which is good. I have a cat meowing at me. Hello, cat. Never mind. What else? I have a dog here as well. Come here. Yeah. Yeah, I have a new hair colour, as you can see. It is fabulous. And yeah, been playing a few video games. Yeah, just been passing time really. It's like half term now, and then I did have to go back to school for another 5 times. Which are my exams. Yes, I have 2 on the same day. Ironically, it's a science exam and a religious exam. I don't know. Yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd update you all. Yeah, so I guess I'll update you soon. Say bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye.